Imagine cruising down an open road, not in a bulky RV or a noisy van, but on a sleek, futuristic tricycle that turns heads everywhere it goes. A machine so unique, so advanced, it's rewriting the rules of adventure travel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's your home, your freedom, your personal spaceship on wheels. Meet the Camper Tricycle RV of the future, a fusion of innovation, comfort, and total wanderlust. It all begins with the design. Think streamlined like a jet fighter but grounded with the charm of a retrofuturistic concept bike. The body is sculpted with lightweight carbon fiber and graphene-infused panels, making it incredibly strong and unbelievably light. The moment you see it, you don't just look, you stare. Its aerodynamic shape slices through the wind like a blade, while the integrated solar wings fold out like the arms of a mechanical bird, capturing every ounce of energy from the sun. This trike isn't just built to ride, it's built to live off the grid. But let's talk wheels. Unlike anything you've seen before, this tricycle RV rolls on 3 independently suspended, self-balancing wheels, each powered by individual electric motors. The AI-controlled stabilization system keeps it upright even when parked on uneven ground or navigating tight corners on a cliffside highway. The ride is smoother than most luxury sedans, with a suspension system that adjusts real-time to the terrain. And when you stop, the wheels tuck slightly inward, lowering the entire vehicle into home mode. It's like your camper just took a deep breath and relaxed. Now step inside. The door slides open vertically, revealing a compact but surprisingly spacious interior. This is no ordinary camper. You're greeted by a soft, ambient glow that adjusts based on the time of day. The walls are lined with intelligent nanofabric that changes color and texture with a voice command. Want a cozy wooden cabin vibe today? Or a modern, white matte futuristic lounge? Done. This isn't just personalization, it's mood architecture. To your left is a kitchen module that feels like it belongs on a space station. A fold-out induction cooktop, a smart sink that recycles and purifies water, and a fridge that adjusts its internal layout based on what you've stored. Everything is magnetic, modular, and multi-purpose. Drawers double as stools. The counter becomes a desk. And the ceiling? A retractable holographic projector that can display anything from a starry night sky to a mountain view, even when you're parked in a city alley. On the right is your living and sleeping area. During the day, it's a plush bench with built-in speakers, vibration massage features, and ambient lighting. At night, it unfolds into a queen-sized bed made of memory foam infused with cooling gel. Above it, a privacy canopy descends, projecting a calming forest or beach scene on its interior. You're not just sleeping, you're transported. Storage? You'd be amazed. Hidden compartments are everywhere. Beneath the floor, inside the walls, even behind the mirror. There's space for camping gear, foldable bikes, cooking supplies, and even a mini drone that launches from a roof hatch and follows your journey for cinematic vlogging. Yes, you heard that right. Your own aerial film crew in a box. And power? This trike is a beast. The roof is covered in high-efficiency solar panels, but it's also equipped with a regenerative braking system, meaning it recharges while riding downhill or slowing down. There's also a kinetic crank. Yes, you can pedal to boost the battery manually if you ever need it. And don't worry about range anxiety. With fully charged batteries and good sun exposure, you can get up to 600 miles before needing to plug in. 600 miles. That's city to coast, no problem. The dashboard is something out of a sci-fi movie. A wraparound display gives you everything: terrain analysis, traffic-free navigation, real-time weather updates, and even air quality scores for upcoming campsites. There's no steering wheel, just 2 adaptive handles that change configuration depending on road conditions. Want voice control? You've got it. Prefer gesture-based commands? Those work too. You can even let the autonomous mode take over, giving you a chance to relax and soak in the view while the trike drives itself.